Tired of endless email chains and project delays? Let's dive into quickly inviting your team to Clockify so you can start tracking time effectively. First, head over to your Clockify dashboard. You'll want to locate the Team tab. It's usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and give that a click. Alright, now that you're on the Team page, look for the Invite Users button. It's typically a bright, noticeable button, often blue or green, towards the top right of the page. Clicking the Invite Users button will bring up a pop-up window here. You have to options add emails one by one, or paste multiple emails separated by commas. Make sure you're entering the correct email addresses for your team members. Before sending, don't forget to assign roles. Use the drop-down menu next to each email to select the appropriate role for each user. Common roles include admin, user, or project manager. Choosing the right role grants them the necessary permissions within Clockify. Double-check everything to ensure your emails are correct and everyone has the right role. Then, hit that Send Invite button. Clockify will display a confirmation message indicating that the invitations have been sent successfully. Your team members will receive an email with a link to join your Clockify workspace. And that's it. By sending those Clockify invites, you're on your way to improve team tracking and smoother project management. Good luck.